Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best foam cannons on Amazon. Hand washing a vehicle, particularly a larger one like a pickup truck or an SUV, can take a lot of time and work. A foam cannon can simplify the process. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tool Daily Foam Cannon. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is great for cleaning cars, motorcycles, trucks, SUVs, roofs, driveways, windows, and more. The 1-liter cannon has a 1/4-inch quick connector and includes 5 nozzle tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and 65 degrees. Simply connect the device to a pressure washer gun or wand after filling it with soap and warm water, then adjust the knob based on the amount of foam you want to dispense. Overall, it's simple to set up and easy to operate. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with all pressure washers, such as some models made by craftsmen. What we like about it: 5 nozzle tips included. Adjustable knob. Dispenses a thick foam. Well made. What we don't like about it: not compatible with all pressure washers. Knob may require frequent adjusting. Number 2. Winspections Foam Cannon. This foam cannon has high-quality brass connectors and a 1/4-inch quick disconnect fitting. The bottle is 33 ounces, and the spray nozzle is adjustable. The top knob controls the foam thickness, and you can use this blaster for cars, motorcycles, windows, driveways, and more. It works with pressure washers with 1.2 GPM and over 1000 psi. Unfortunately, the nozzle is pretty hefty, and the entire bottle with the nozzle attached is top-heavy. It can also be a bit awkward and clumsy to attach to a power washer. What we like about it: high-quality components. Adjustable nozzle. Easy to operate. Doesn't require a lot of soap. What we don't like about it: top-heavy. Can be a hassle to affix to a power washer. Number 3. Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Wash Gun. It could be said that there are more people who own a garden hose than a pressure washer. For this reason, we chose the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Wash Gun as an alternative to pressure washer-specific foam cannons. The wide neck allows for increased pouring accuracy, and the bottle still holds about a liter of liquid. What the Foam Blaster Wash Gun lacks is adjustability. Sure, you can move the nozzle of the foam gun itself to direct the spray, but you won't be able to adjust the dilution ratio on the fly. At the same time, the adaptability of the product itself makes it an easy solution for anyone with a dirty car, house, motorcycle, RV, lawn furniture, etc. What we like about it: pressure washer not required. Good pouring accuracy. Spray nozzle included. What we don't like about it: lacks adjustability. Number 4. Twinkle Star Foam Cannon Snow Foam Lance. The Twinkle Star Foam Cannon comes with 5 nozzle tips and a 1/4-inch quick disconnect fitting. Its core is made of heavy-duty brass to prevent leaks. The nozzle can be adjusted to produce a wide to narrow spray pattern, and a knob on top controls the foam thickness. Pressure washers must have 2.0 GPM and over 1000 psi for it to operate properly. However, it's a little heavy, which may fatigue your hands while you're using it. And while it's sturdy, it has a tendency to leak from the top. Also, the fittings are not the best quality, and the bottle doesn't have measurement levels. What we like about it: 5 adjustable nozzles included. Heavy-duty brass core. Doesn't require a lot of soap. Easy to fill. What we don't like about it: heavy and can be fatiguing to use. May leak from the top. No measurement levels. Number 5. Trinova Foam Cannon. The Trinova Foam Cannon works with a pressure washer and requires a 1/4-inch female quick connection. After filling the bottle with soap, attach it to the pressure washer, adjust the knob, and commence the cleaning process. The product has an extra wide neck that's designed not to crack, and the nozzle adapter connector fits most equipment. Users report that it produces a thick foam, and it's easy to pour soap from a container into the wide mouth opening without making a mess. The company also backs up its product with a 100% satisfaction warranty and will replace the product or refund the purchase if you're not happy with its performance. What we like about it: Extra wide neck. Nozzle fits most equipment. Produces a thick foam. Easy to use. What we don't like about it. Nozzles may require frequent adjustments while operating. No measurement levels. Top heavy when empty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.